This one surprise has killed more real estate deals than bad credit. Let's make sure it doesn't kill yours. You've saved your down payment. You found the house. Your offer is accepted. And then your lender calls and tells you that you owe an additional $5,000 to $8,000 at closing. For first-time buyers who don't know about closing costs, this moment can be devastating. Today, we make sure that never happens to you. Closing costs are one of the most misunderstood parts of buying a home. Most people focus entirely on the down payment and forget that there are fees to actually close the transaction. Let me break down exactly what these are and how to handle them. Closing costs typically run between 2% and 5% of the loan amount. On a $250,000 home, that's $5,000 to $12,500. Here's what's included: lender fees, origination fee, underwriting fee, processing fee, third-party fees, title search, title insurance, appraisal, home inspection, prepaid items, homeowner's insurance, usually 12 months up front, property tax escrow, prepaid interest, government fees, recording fees, transfer taxes, if applicable. Now, here's how to reduce or eliminate them. Option 1. Seller concessions. When you make your offer, you can ask the seller to pay a portion of your closing costs. In today's market in San Antonio, this is more achievable than it was 2 years ago. A skilled agent, which is what you get when you work with me, knows how to structure this ask. Option 2. Lender credits. Some lenders offer to cover your closing costs in exchange for a slightly higher interest rate. This makes sense if you plan to sell or refinance within a few years. Option 3. DPA programs that cover closing costs too. Some Texas down payment assistance programs also cover closing costs. This is another reason to always check your program eligibility before you assume you need cash. And finally, always ask for the loan estimate on day one. This is a standardized document your lender is required to give you within 3 days of your application. It shows every single fee. Review it carefully. Ask questions about anything you don't understand. Here in Texas, title insurance is a standard part of closing, and it protects you from ownership disputes that could come up years after you buy. It's a one-time fee, and it's absolutely worth it. Your agent should walk you through every line of the closing disclosure before you sign anything. Knowing these numbers in advance puts you in complete control of the process. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. We're talking about Texas down payment assistance programs. That one might be your favorite.